Sat Shri Akal ji, my name is Dr. Jaskirandeep Kaur, presently working as a member state COVID control cell. Today is the 98th day of sharing daily media brief about Punjab government's efforts in controlling coronavirus pandemic situation. Till today, coronavirus has infected 1,01,05,650 people worldwide, out of which 54,77,860 people have recovered and 5,01,700 people have lost life. In India, this disease has infected 5,30,925 people, including 16,125 deaths, and almost 3,11,000 people have fully recovered. Punjab government is trying to test maximum number of samples, and in this regard, state has sent 2,89,923 samples for testing, out of which 5,216 samples have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 161 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 133 people have died till date and 3,526 people have been discharged from the hospitals. In order to combat coronavirus spread in the offices, Department of Health and Family Welfare had issued recommendations on maintaining the hygiene and sanitation of office spaces and the staff working therein during the COVID-19 pandemic for office employees and employers, in where all has been stressed upon maintaining social distance, wearing a mask at all times, keeping all surfaces clean with sodium hypochlorite, and the staff has been advised not to indulge in any handshakes or hugs to greet, see off each other, and not to roam unnecessarily in the office and to work from their allocated places only. The usage of intercom electronic media for interpersonal communication of the staff has also been encouraged, along with use of e-office. Supposing a staff is detected with high fever in office premises does not mandatorily mean that she or he is suffering from COVID-19. It is advised to get the staff suffering from high fever medically examined by the doctor by temporarily isolating him or her from the office, and then no conclusions or stigmatizing of that person be drawn. In case a colleague or a staff is diagnosed with COVID-19 and with whom one fears that there was a contact during the office, there is no need to panic. One should report to the helpline number 104, control room number 0172-292-0074, detailing the exact nature of exposure and to assist the medical facility to undertake further necessary action. The employee should not indulge in gossip, rumor with regard to COVID-19 without verifying the facts. The employer may encourage the employee to download COVA app developed by the Government of Punjab for correct, timely and authentic information, and for any other further advisory or guideline, they can log on to pbhealth.gov.in. In the end, I would request each one of you to wear a mask, maintain social distance, maintain proper hand hygiene by using the sanitizer and washing hands with soap and water every 2 hourly. And if in any case you would like to volunteer in the war against COVID-19, one can download the COVA app, choose the type of work one wants to volunteer and submit. Thank you.